Oh my gosh. Hey, what is up, you guys? My name is Emily, and if you don't know me, you know me now. It is currently 2 in the morning, and I'm gonna get a puppy today. Well, not me, but my parents. But we are going to North Carolina to pick up Daisy, and she is a Cocker Spaniel and a Toy Poodle mix. So she's a cockapoo, and yeah, come along. I'm gonna go back to sleep now until I actually have to wake up. Okay, bye.
Hey. Hey. Dippo. Hey. You're gonna get a baby sister today. He's not happy. We are though.
Ah. Take two. Hey, Grace.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to go to sleep.
Not on my watch. I have to pee. Excuse me, do you have my puppy? Do you have my puppy?
I don't think they have.
Excuse me, ma'am, sir, Walmart? Oh,
In 800 feet,
that's not
turn
real.
right onto Oval
Can
End
you
Road.
stop? I'm trying to vlog. Thank you.
I don't see that man wearing pants. Where is his pants? Where? Don't hit him, dear God.
Is my hair still weird? Oh, come on. I don't know. It's just weird.
So we got flowers.
Right? For Aunt Annie,
Yes.
because she's a nice lady,
Yes.
and we're on our way
Where are we at
to
right
get the dog.
Where are we at
I
though?
think we're close to.
Don't say that. Are we in Virginia? I thought we were in North Carolina.
Yeah. No, we're not.
Rise and shine. Get it? It's the Kylie Jenner meme. Bro, you are so done with today. And you're the one that slept the most.
If she slept the most, then she can drive.
Absolutely not. No, man.
Why did we bring her again?
I don't know.
No,
I think it was-
I didn't have a choice. I was.
I think it was like some sort of like family gathering or family bonding or I don't know. The last time that happened, y'all got divorced, so
Oh Lord, shut your mouth.
still traumatized from that. So
It's so.
flat here. We are not in West Virginia anymore. No more Mountain Mama. None of that.
Okay, I suck at filming stuff, so the next clip that you're gonna see is the dog. There's your context. Okay, bye.
Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy.
Okay, go ahead.
Are you rolling?
Yes, I'm rolling.
This is Daisy. This is our baby. Our new baby. Say hi, baby.
Daisy. She doesn't know her name. Daisy.
She'll learn it.
I know.
Oh, this is gonna be so shaky. Okay, yeah, you can end that. We're done.
No, don't chew on my glasses.
She chews on everything.
Oh, my
She's
phone
still a
was chewing.
baby.
Baby's upset. What's wrong, baby?
So you were up there talking to Christine about Daisy. So what did she have to say?
Enjoy this clip of my parents and sister making fun of my YouTube channel.
You can't seriously post that?
Do I want to get monetized one day? Yes. Here, let's do some nice family content with Daisy.
Two.
Dad.
They're so mean to me.
Okay.
Have you looked at
Three.
your analytics yet?
Oh, they're horrible.
Are they?
They're in the trash right now, and so is my watch time.
They're in the can.
Because I haven't posted in like forever.
They're in the toilet. The toilato.
I have 152 subscribers right now.
See, 2. Plus a little more.
Chevy D, dude. The guy at the werewolf. He did his for one.
Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but traffic.
And it's not even the busiest holiday travel day. That's tomorrow. I want to go to sleep.
Did you like the dog?
He just pet it and said, ah. It's a dog.
Daisy May, welcome home.
Oh,
Babies, meet your sister.
Skippy.
So that's the vlog. We're home, and now I have to drive to Devin's house. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post out videos whenever I possibly can, and I will see you on my next video.
Goodbye, puppy.
Oh! Hey, say goodbye, Daisy May. Bye, guys. Goodbye. Okay, one last thing. If you guys want to know where we got Daisy, I will leave her Facebook right here, and also it'll be linked in the description box. And I'll go ahead and pop up some pictures of past doggies that have found their forever homes. So they're no longer for sale, but they have found their forever homes. So there's different breeds, different kinds of mixes and stuff like that. They are well known for their breeding and well known for their safety and well-being for the dogs. They take amazing care of them, and I wouldn't give them money if I knew it wasn't coming from a good heart and a good place. They've been doing this for over 30 years now, and people will fly from all around the world to get their breeds. So it's super, super good, super clean bloodline, and it's awesome. But if you have any more questions, like I said, contact her on her Facebook page. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna go hug Daisy now. Bye!